PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Europe today. We are studying in class 8th. We are doing this project under Meldathon 25-26. The title of our project is Fully Automated Valet Parking System. The problem which we faced was that the unnecessary driving was in motion. The time was spent for searching for parking, and the space was more used to park the cars. And the solution which we made is, instead of a human driver looking for a spot, the car is transported by an automated robot using advanced technology such as sensors, cameras and GPS. This system is designed to save time, reduce stress and optimize the use of parking space in busy areas. When the driver is ready to leave, they simply request their vehicle through the app or kiosk. The system locates the car and a robot retrieves it and brings it to back and to pickup zone. The entire process is automated and takes just a few minutes.
The process begins when a driver arrives at the drop-off zone after leaving the car and confirming the request through a mobile app or kiosk. A robot platform is sent to handle the vehicle. This robot is a flat motorized unit that slides under the car and lifted if by the vehicles. The robot is equipped with camera, lidar and other sensors to ensure precise and safe movement.
Obstacle response. If an animal or two-wheeler is detected in the parking path or slot, the robot pauses and activates alerts. The system attempts rerouting if an alternate slot is clear. For persistent obstacles, supervisor or users are notified.
Once the vehicle is secure, the robot navigates through the parking area using GPS and real-time mapping. It avoids obstacles and chooses the most efficient path to an available spot. Because the cars are moved rather than driven, they can be parked very close together. No need to leave space for door opening or human access. This tight parking greatly increases the number of cars that can fit into a lot or garage. Thank you.
ये समरी वाला बोल रहे थे.
This is the start. ये शुरुआत. सोचो लोकल बनो ग्लोबल, हर प्रॉब्लम का है सोल्यूशन, मिलकर करे एक नई